Hi sweet friends, welcome back. So today what we are going to do is twisty balloons. So what I found at Dollarama, this is the Dollarama bag. Finally they had the twisty balloon kits in. They are $2 and you get 40 balloons and you get the air pump with it. So it looks like this. This is the kit, and then on the back it shows you how to make a flower and then a party hat and a helmet, so you can do those kind of things. What I'm going to show you today is how to make a puppy dog. So let's get started. So to start off with, they give you the pump and they give you 40 balloons. So all you're going to do is take your pump and pump up your balloons, just like this. And then you'll leave a little bit of a tail on it to give you room to play with the balloon when you make it, and then you tie it at the top. So that's what you do. I've got a few of them already tied and ready. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you how I do one this way facing me, and then I'll do a couple on the table so you can see up close. So okay, so what we're going to do is there's the tail on this end, so where you tied it is where we're going to start. We're going to do one twist for a head, and then we're going to do a second twist. So we have two. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. Let's twist it a lot because that way it doesn't come undone so quick. That's two twists. Now we're going to do another one. So we have 3 in total. And now we're just going to twist them 2 feet together around the neck, just like this. So there's the ears and the nose. Now we're going to do a neck, and now we're going to do 2 more feet. So you're going to spin to do 1, spin to do the second one. So you have 3, and now you're going to spin it. So far we have the ears, the nose, the neck, the feet. Now we're going to do a body. And now we're going to do the final step of the dog, which is the feet and 2 tails. 2 back feet and a tail. So we're going to spin and spin again. Try to do them the same size, but if they're not, it's okay. So we have 3 spins total, and we're just going to spin the last 2 and lift up the tails. So there we go there. So there's the dog there. How super cute and super easy. It is just spin, 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 spin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple on the table so you can see it up close. Okay, so what we got is our balloon. It's ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the ears and the head. So the snout. So 1 twist, 2 twists, so there's 2. We're going to do another one, which is 3. So now we have 3 twists. And what we're going to do is twist the 2 feet together. or the ears together, sorry. So there's the snout and the ears. So now what we're gonna do is the neck. We're just gonna twist it. We don't need that big of a neck, hold on. Okay, so it really doesn't matter. So there's the neck. See, there's the neck coming down. So now we're gonna make the 2 front paws. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist 2 more. One. 2. Hold them together and twist them. Just like that. So far that's the front of the dog. So now we're going to make the body. And then we're going to make 2 back paws, so we're just twisting it. And we're going to put the 2 back paws up into this twist. So we're going to do 2 back paws and a tail. So we're just spreading the air out. We're going to twist. We're going to twist 2 feet and a tail. And there is our puppy dog. Just like that. That's our puppy dog. So the ears, the nose, the neck, the feet, the body, the feet, the tail. Just like that. Not too hard. So we'll try again and we'll pick purple. Again, we're gonna make the head and the ears first. So here's the snout. Now we're gonna do 3 spins. We're gonna try to do this spin the same direction so you don't unspin it. So there's that one and that one. So we have 2 so far. We're gonna do 1 more. Spin, 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 spin. And you're gonna take the 2 feet together like that and twist it. Just like that. And there's the head and the ears. See? Head and ears. And then we're going to make a neck and twist it. There's the neck. Now we're going to make 2 front paws. So we're going to twist 2 more. 1. Try to make it roughly the same size. 2. And with the neck and the 2 front paws, you're going to twist it together. Just like that. Right? His head can be turned. There we go. So there it is there. So now we're going to make the body. So we have that much of the dog done. We're going to do 3. So, because we need 2 feet and a tail. So we're going to do here, here, and that'll be the tail. So, 1 foot, 2 feet, and the tail. So what you're going to do is you have it here, just like that. And you're just going to twist these 2 together. And there is your puppy dog. So there's the puppy dog. Super easy, super cute. And that's the purple one. So far we've made purple, blue, pink, green. I mean, super easy. Great for your kids' party. You can get them all ready before the kids come. Okay, so it does pop. I have the orange pieces here. The orange popped. Let's try again. I popped it because of my nails. I felt my nail dig right into it. Okay, so we're gonna do pink. We're gonna do the head, 2 ears, 1, 2. So there's the head and the ears. We're gonna do a body, the neck. Now we're gonna do 2 front paws. That's too big. Spin, spin, spin. It is a little tricky. You do have to hold all your pieces and then spin your 2 feet together. So there's the 2 front paws. You're going to do a body. Just like that. And now we're going to do 2 more feet and a tail. So what you got to do is go a little bit down, spin, try to make them the same size, spin, and then spin all 2 together. Spin the 2 and the 3, we'd spin it around, and there you go there. There is the doggy. So that's in pink. So that's how you make the dog. It's really, really simple. You do need some patience. You will pop a couple balloons. That's okay. So thanks for watching. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is how I made the little doggies. Super cute. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, everyone.